Little butthole boy. I know, little butthole boy. My little toe bean boy. Yeah, but close your mouth, sir. Your brother's stank. Stank.
It seems no sound was loud enough to wake the cat from its sleep.
Turns out, being small and cute doesn't mean you're always easy to mess with.
Every time I stop petting this cat, she yells at me, right? So look, she's all happy, all purring, you know.
I didn't expect the line between love and hate to be so thin.
Don't do it.
Bang. Bang. Bang.
Once a cat chooses you as its bestie, good luck escaping its clinginess. Cats aren't subtle. They'll be blunt and make it clear when they don't like something.
Hey, Greg. He's off a bird.
У нас сейчас только проблема. Все меньше ссорятся, в доме завелась чертова сова, не говоря уже о том, что мы потеряли нашу собаку.
Hey. Hey. We don't need to do that.
Don't you dare jump up there, it's not screwed to the wall.
He's doing it. He's doing it for... Oh! Oh, Mickey, it's not screwed
To the wall.
Right? There's a fire starting in my eye.
Miguel. Why? You don't like that one.
This repairman is already helpful enough if he doesn't chew the wires.
Is the catfish your best friend?
Look at him. You look like people.
Beth? Beth, kenapa?
When it comes to imitations, cats learn fast, you know?
Help me. Help me. Es como que no lo veían tan así, ¿sí? ¿Sabes? O sea, como que era la moda también, como andaban así, pelos, las greñas largas. ¿Por qué te ves así? Así.
I wonder what this guy is dreaming about that makes him look so annoyed. This little kiddo loves to dramatize everything around him, doesn't he?
Vinci da 3.
Gucci. You don't like my coffee, eh? Gucci. You don't like my coffee, eh?
This one is definitely nimble enough to slip through. But he's orange, no wonder, huh?
Tell me my cat's special, that feeling in my cat's special.
Stop working out. Playing around burns way more calories.
Grab that.
Well, you're just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Yep.
Tam jest ta porze.